Drones are rapidly changing the face of the modern battlefield and introducing us to a new era of warfare with their revolutionary capabilities. And it's no surprise that these unmanned flying predators have become a must-have asset for top military forces around the world. Fasten your seatbelt as we reveal the most advanced military drones in the world that change everything. And towards the end of this video, we'll reveal the drone that destroyed Russia's flagship and 2 oil storage facilities. So do well to stick around to the last second. MQ-25 Stingray. Designed by American aerospace company Boeing, the MQ-25 Stingray is a next-generation unmanned aerial refueling drone. It's still under development, and Boeing says the first fully operational MQ-25 Stingray won't be ready until 2024. But a test model of the Stingray has been wowing naval officers aboard the USS George H.W. Bush warship. In a first-of-its-kind event last December, this drone was used to refuel 3 manned fighter jets at operationally relevant speeds and altitudes. The MQ-25 Stingray has a top speed of 385 miles per hour and can refuel more than 4 aircraft at a go, thanks to its 7.2-ton fuel cartridge capacity. MQ-9 Reaper. Also known as Predator B, the MQ-9 Reaper is the United States Air Force's primary unmanned aerial vehicle for offensive missions. The MQ-9 Reaper is controlled remotely by 2 experts, 1 pilot and a sensor operator. Unlike its predecessor, Reaper is famous for its ability to carry more weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway-2, and the GBU-38 JDAM propulsion. In addition, the MQ-9 Reaper has a flying range of 1,150 miles and a top speed of 230 miles per hour, making it quicker than the average Formula One car. The Reaper has been in active service since 2007, and the United States Air Force currently has about 100 units in its fleet. Aside from its offensive firepower, the Reaper can also be used for other military tasks such as target development, combat research and rescue, route clearance, surveillance, raid overwatch, reconnaissance, and close air support. In addition, this flexible long-endurance drone has a wingspan of 66 feet, a maximum takeoff weight of 10,500 pounds, and an endurance duration of 27 hours. XQ-58A Valkyrie. This is the XQ-58A Valkyrie, an affordable, subsonic, unmanned combat aerial vehicle with stealth capabilities. It is being developed by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. The XQ-58A Valkyrie will be used by the United States Air Force for intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and surveillance. This unmanned combat drone has a maximum range of 3,452 miles and can reach a maximum altitude of 4,500 feet while flying at a cruise speed of Mach 0.072. It's powered by a turbofan engine which reportedly delivers a maximum thrust of 2,000 pounds. Interestingly, the XQ-58A Valkyrie features a rocket-assisted launch and parachute recovery system, meaning it can take off and land without a runway facility. Lastly, the XQ-58A has a maximum weight of 2,722 kilograms and a payload of 544 kilograms. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a tactical armed unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, made in Turkey. This medium-altitude, long-endurance drone features a sophisticated design and several tech features that make it one of the most lethal military drones in the world. The TB2 has a maximum speed of between 70 to 120 knots and a special onboard avionics system that supports autonomous takeoff and landing. It has an endurance rating of 27 hours, 3 minutes, and can fly as high as 25,000 feet. Since its inception in 2014, over 200 units of the Bayraktar TB2 have been delivered to several countries, including Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Tunisia, Qatar, and more recently, Poland. So far, none of these countries have had any complaints about its performance. However, the Bayraktar TB2 has gained special recognition amongst the Ukrainian army for its role in the Russia-Ukraine crisis. According to reports, the TB2 destroyed 2 Russian oil depots near Bryansk and sank the 12,000-ton Moskva warship on the Black Sea. Before we move on to the next section, if you've made it this far, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, comment "I subbed" down below for a chance to get a free shout out in our next video. Aksungur. Turkey is a powerhouse when it comes to drone technology, and autonomous crafts like the Aksungur continue to remind us of this fact with their incredible performances in combat. Measuring 11.6 meters in length and 24 meters in wingspan, this drone is able to haul heavy payload. The TAI Aksungur is powered by two twin turbocharged engines, which allows it to reach a flying altitude of 40,000 feet. Since taking to the skies in 2019, this unmanned aerial vehicle has completed 50 hours of flying time, performing fire detection, intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions in the south-central Turkish city of Adana. Aksungur will be operated by the General Directorate of Forestry for Fire Control and based at the Adana Shakir Pasha Airport. Predator C Avenger. Also known as the MQ-9C, the Predator C Avenger is a high-speed, next-generation unmanned aircraft system. It's powered by a turbofan Pratt & Whitney PW545B engine that throbs out 4,800 pounds of thrust. It has a wingspan of 20 meters and covers a length of 18 meters. The Predator has a maximum gross takeoff weight of 8,255 kilograms and a fuel capacity of 3,583 kilograms. It features a hybrid electromechanical anti-lock brake system. The Predator C Avenger has a high mission flexibility and survivability. Furthermore, this sleek drone can reach altitudes of 50,000 feet and has an endurance rating of 20 hours. Elbit Hermes 900. The Elbit Hermes 900 is an Israeli medium-range, long-endurance combat drone. As a multi-role craft, it supports a multi-payload configuration and can undertake different military tasks, including area dominance and persistent intelligence gathering, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. Additionally, it has a takeoff weight of 1,180 kilograms, a max payload of 350 kilograms, and an endurance rating of 36 hours, not to mention that it has a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet. RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk can fly higher than Russia's MiG-29 fighter jets, reaching a maximum height of 65,000 feet. It is a high-performance drone that helps with intelligence collection, surveillance, and reconnaissance, among other military operations. It stands 15.2 feet tall, measures 44.4 feet in length, and 116 feet in wingspan. It is equipped with a single jet engine that allows it to reach a cruising speed of around 390 miles per hour and an endurance rating of 40 hours. The RQ-4 Global Hawk has a range of 22,800 kilometers. Currently, the RQ-4 Global Hawk is operated by the United States Air Force and the Japanese Self-Defense Force. Loyal Wingman. The Loyal Wingman is an autonomous combat drone jointly developed by Boeing Australia and the Royal Australian Air Force. It has since been renamed the MQ-28 Ghost. Officials claim that this name is more fitting, as it reflects the distinctive attributes of the aircraft's sensors and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capacity. The MQ-28 Ghostbat is still under development, but as soon as it's ready to go, it will be the first Australian-produced military aircraft in 50 years. And according to reports, this swift drone will have the same flight features as conventional aircraft. However, it would function as a multi-role and multi-purpose drone as well. Its wingspan covers 7.3 meters, it has a length of 11.7 meters, and its flying range is exactly 3,700 kilometers. During missions, the MQ-28 Ghostbat drones will be able to carry out strikes or surveillance activities on their own or as a group with the help of artificial intelligence. And as the name suggests, this drone will be able to fly alongside conventional aircraft like the F-35A, F/A-18F, and E-7 to provide mission support in different capacities. X-47B. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the X-47B is a strike fighter-sized unmanned combat air system drone. This tailless aircraft features 38.2 feet in length and has a wingspan of 62.1 feet. The X-47B is equipped with stealth capabilities and other high-tech features such as electro-optics, synthetic aperture radar, infrared, electronic support measures, inverse SAR, and a special indicator that can identify the ground and maritime targets. It is powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 PW220U engine and can reach speeds of up to 0.45 Mach. This high-flying autonomous aerial refueling craft can climb up to a maximum altitude of 40,000 feet and has a range of 2,900 kilometers. Which one of these drones is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to check out this video over here.